welcome back to Yummy with Mommy. Today we'll be showing you a recipe on how to make Chinese stir-fried chicken with mixed vegetables. So here you can see we have half a bowl of boneless chicken cut into chunks, and what we'll be doing before we touch the chicken is we'll be adding half a cup of oil into this pot, which is on high heat. Followed by 1 tablespoon of ginger blend, which is ginger blended in water. Followed by a single teaspoon of garlic paste, which is garlic blended in water. And we'll stir that mixture all up. Okay, so next we will be adding the chicken into the mix, the chicken I showed you earlier. And we'll be cooking this chicken until there's no more water left and all the water boils off. Okay, so it's been 10 to 15 minutes and this is what the chicken now looks like after most of the water has boiled off. So this is what you want to be shooting for. So this took us about 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, so first we'll be adding in a bowl full of broccoli cut as shown here. We'll follow that with a bowl of sliced carrots. We have regularly sliced carrots, but you can do a julienne cut if you please. Next we'll be adding in a bowl of cauliflower, followed by a bowl of red pepper, and last but not least, half a bowl of celery. And we'll be also adding in 4 leaves that are chopped up of Chinese cabbage. So this is what Chinese cabbage looks like, and 4 chopped up leaves of Chinese cabbage. Okay, so next we will be adding in 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, followed by 3 tablespoons of hoisin sauce, followed by 1 tablespoon of sweet chili sauce, and all of these sauces you can find in your local Asian supermarket. So after the sweet chili sauce we'll be adding 3 tablespoons of teriyaki sauce, 2 tablespoons of thick teriyaki sauce, and 1 tablespoon of chili flakes. And depending on how spicy you like it, you can add more or less chili flakes according to your taste. So we will let this cook for about 10 minutes and we'll keep stirring the entire mixture. Okay, so this is what we have, and this is what it looks like after 10 minutes of being cooked and stirred. And we'll be adding in a tablespoon of cornstarch, a little bit more than a tablespoon. And we will also be adding in a handful of cashews. And we're going to stir up again and let this cook for 2 to 3 more minutes, after which it should be ready to eat. So we'll show you what the final product looks like next. Okay, so this is what it looks like once it's finally prepared, as you can see here. And you can enjoy this Chinese stir-fried chicken mixed with vegetables with rice. It goes really well with white rice. So I hope you guys try it out and let us know what you think. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you next time.